All of that fundamental jargon getting spewed and regurgitated all over social media and YouTube is all just a waste of time, and it's misdirection. And it's just going to make your trading life more difficult. And it's part of the reason why over 90% of the traders fail out there. You don't need to know any fundamental jargon to know how to trade. And you don't need any garbage indicators either. They're all a waste of time. There are things going on in the charts that nobody talks about. And when you learn those things, it makes trading like child's play. This is a simple game if you just get away from all of that garbage that everybody's pushing. And yeah, there are elite traders out there that you see who are making it off of that fundamental jargon, but they are only going after one or two particular setups that work, and they have a good risk to reward ratio. But they don't know what's really going on in the charts, because if they did, they'd scrap all that fundamental garbage and they would trade according to what's really going on in the charts that nobody talks about. But when you learn what's really going on in the charts, it's going to blow your mind. And you're constantly being brainwashed with all of that negativity about how more than 90% of the people fail at trading. They're setting you up for failure all over the place. They're telling you you're going to fail right up front. Even the elite traders that don't know what's going on in the charts are going to tell you that 90% fail and that you're more than likely going to fail. So what does your brain do when it hears that negative message over and over and over again? On top of learning all of that regurgitated fundamental garbage that's useless, your brain's going to go to work to make you fail. And then you hear all of these traders say, oh, it takes 3 to 5 years before you're going to be profitable and before you're going to make it. And that's more negativity that your brains buy into. So you think it's going to take you 3 to 5 years to make it. So what does your brain go to work to do? It goes to work to make you fail for 3 to 5 years. So if you want to get out of that 90+% failure rate, you got to get away from all of that negative garbage that people are feeding you every day and learn what's really going on in the charts that makes trading child's play. You can make trades like this every single day when you learn what's really going on in the charts that nobody talks about, because everybody's been brainwashed by all of that regurgitated fundamental jargon that's just a waste of time. And they all got you focused in on small sections of the charts, looking for dojis and engulfing candles and all of that other garbage that's useless, that just makes trading difficult. And you're buying into it, which is why you're in that 90+% failure rate. So you got to ask yourself, how long do you want to stay in that failure rate? And how long do you want to continue to be brainwashed by all of that garbage out there every single day? Anyone can make trades like this when you learn what's really going on in the charts that nobody talks about. There are things going on in the charts that nobody talks about. And when you learn those things, trading is a simple child's game.